Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Ducati Biker channel. Today's video is sponsored by Full 6 Carbon Fiber. I partnered up with them last year to put some beautiful carbon fiber pieces on my bike to make it lighter and stronger. If you guys haven't already seen, I already have the Ducati carbon winglets up on the front. I also have the key ignition holder right there. We also installed the rear fender over the rear wheel right here in carbon fiber, as well as the heel guards. And then I had the tail piece on the back right here, which is really beautiful. So in this video, they just sent me some new parts for 2026. I'm super excited about this. I always like to put carbon fiber parts on my bike like everyone else, but little by little. I don't like to bombard everything on my bike at once. So this year we're going to be adding a few more little carbon fiber parts from Full 6 Carbon, and we're going to be doing an unboxing and installation video. So let's get into it. All right, so let's get into it. I got my key right here. I didn't bring a knife, but I have my Ducati key, so that should suffice. There's just a bunch of carbon parts in here. Oh wow, well, look how well and prepared and wrapped that is right there. So first up, I think, look, they got my name on it, Milan. This is so nice. A Full 6 Carbon. What is this part right here? Caliper cooler left. Yes, these are the caliper coolers. That's gonna be so cool. I don't know if I have the parts to necessarily put that on. Oh snap, look at that. Look how beautiful that looks. Dang, so this pretty much is gonna sit on the left side of the bike, and it's the caliper cooler, so it's gonna shove air in through there, and that goes all the way into the Brembo caliper right over there. This is really beautiful. I'm really excited about this. Look how smooth and look how well machined everything is with the Full 6 Carbon. Awesome. Okay, so that's one. Imagine fully wrapped, which I'm super excited about, this tail piece. Because as soon as I saw this V4S come out, and they had this beautiful tail piece, dang, oh my God, look at that. Woo! I'm gonna put this on right now. So this is literally gonna sit like that right there. That is gonna be so beautiful. It's gonna match everything right there. Look at that, boom, it's gonna be all black. And then I have the full Terminioni system coming as well. So this is gonna be a beautiful addition. This is probably like one of my favorite pieces right here, Full 6. All right, I'll lay another one down, just right here. The tank cover, I think, is one of the pieces that completes it the most. Because I have the key cover, the ignition cover. Oh wow, look at that. Beautiful, has the Full 6 logo right there on it. Dang. That's absolutely beautiful. And look, they have the foam pads too. That's really nice, because I don't even think the original ones have that. Very beautiful. So this is gonna cover like that right there. Absolutely beautiful. Very excited about these Full 6 swing arm insert. Oh yeah, for the back side. Oh, beautiful. So this is a swing arm insert that fits on the back side of the swing arm right there. So there's this plastic guard and the chain runs this way alongside. So this is going to be fitting in the back side like so. Reverse way, but like so. That's very cool. Swing arm insert. Very beautiful piece. Here. Awesome. 6 Panigale, Ducati Biker Panigale is coming along. Very excited about this. All right, now let's just do a quick install video. All right guys, we just installed the tail tidy. Look how beautiful that looks, how seamless it is. What you pretty much have to do is you just remove the seat, you pop off this tail piece, and then you only have 2 bolts. It's only these 2 bolts that literally hold on this whole rear cowl right here. But man, look at that from a distance. That looks absolutely beautiful. I can't wait to match this with the Terminioni coming out the back. And we're gonna have the carbon covers, and I already have the carbon tail piece, or the carbon rear fender hugger right here. But this looks absolutely beautiful. Full 6 did a great job. I'm very excited about this. All right, now we're gonna put the tank piece on. All right, so tail piece installed, and now we're gonna do the tank piece. So all you have to do is you just remove these 2 bolts right here. Hopefully these rubber inserts will be able to be put on the carbon piece. But then now, so we're just going to put this right here, and I'll use this as my little bolt keeper holder. Now we're gonna grab this piece right here. Beautiful, solid, look at that. That's just gonna fit in there like so. Oh, I cannot wait. This is gonna be beautiful. Let me see if I could take those plastic rubber pieces off. You got these spongy things right here too, which are pretty cool. All right, let's check this out. So guys, I just put the tank cover on. They didn't have the inserts on the rear, so it kind of sits high, but there's these two sponges right here. But then obviously when you bolt everything, it's fine. But that looks like it's really beautiful and it's coming together, especially with the key guard. Everything full 6 is looking great. And it's so crazy how just a little bit of black changes the whole bike. And just can't wait for that full Termi system coming. But yes, in other words, this fit fine and it is solid. Now we're gonna do the brake calipers. All right, so now we're gonna put the caliper intakes on. As you can see, a lot of people have been giving me crap because I still have my original reflectors, but it's been a year. But now I have enough spacers right there because I don't need to run 2 spacers, I'm pretty sure. And this is gonna sit just like that. So all you have to do is you pop off these 2, remove that spacer, remove the reflector, and this is gonna go on like so. All right guys, and there you go. There are the cooling ducts for the calipers right there. To be honest, those kind of make up for the spacers. I wouldn't run any other spacers because otherwise your caliper is going to stick too far out. But it fit in, and I torqued it to where it should be, but it sounded like it was a little creaking and cracking, but that's just normal carbon. All right, and now we put the swing arm cover right here. Not the whole side, but just the tail. So I have the foot peg heel, I have the carbon heel guards, and now we have this cover right here. It just popped on there. You're going to want to be careful, pop it off. I broke a little bit of the tab on the new one, but these ones don't have tabs up here, so they just pop off. So there you go. This is the build so far. So we got the ducts, we got the beautiful winglets. Now we have the tank and the key cover. We also have the entire tailpiece right there, and we have the rear mudguard and carbon too. So the next parts I really want to have on here are going to be the swing arm covers. I'm getting the full Termi system, so that's why I didn't order this. We might do a few more different accents right here, and then we're gonna get the front guard. This is all gonna be carbon. And then I think I might be done with everything full 6 carbon, but thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you next time.